In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add a bold text in Facebook post. So after you open up your phone, go ahead and open your Facebook app like this now. After you open your Facebook, now tap on this plus button now to go to post section and tap on this post. So on your post section, all you have to do now, go ahead and type what you want to type. Let's say now I want to type like I have money. So after you type all what you want to type, now all you have to now long press your hand and copy the text. Now I'll just go ahead and copy all the text like this and tap on this copy. After I copy the text, now I'll go back to my browser. So I'm using Chrome browser. After you open your browser, just go ahead and search for bold text. So and tap on this. As you can see now, if you see different website, go ahead and choose the one that you want to use. Just tap on this, tap on the paste one. After you open the website like this, all you have to do now, paste in the text that you copy in this section. So after you paste in the text that you copy in this section, now if you scroll down, you can see the different style that this website gives you for the text that you copy, that you just added. So I'll just go ahead and copy, let's say this one, bold sensitive. So long press your hand and tap on this copy again, copy the text. So tap on this copy. After you copy the text, now go back to your Facebook. After you come back to your Facebook, now go ahead and delete this text that you added. Delete the existing text like this and paste in the one that you just add like this one. As you can see now, it make the text bold. So now I'll tap on this next button and go ahead and post your Facebook post with this bold. Hope this video helps you on how to bold text on Facebook. As you can see, here is it now. I bold the text. Here is it now. That's it guys on how to bold text on Facebook. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.